Hi there, students. No mean feat. This means that something is difficult to do. It's not a small thing. It's not at all easy. It's a difficult task. So, for example, passing the CPE, the proficiency, is no mean feat. Okay, it's not an easy thing to do. Okay, let's look at the words in this. Firstly, mean. Okay, here they are using mean in the sense of not generous, miserly. Okay, in the old days, or an old meaning of mean meant low class, of bad quality. So, no bad quality feat. And then the word a feat. A feat is an achievement, a task that needs great skill or courage or strength to get or to do or to achieve, to carry out. So, finding a good job in the current market is no mean feat. Okay, it's not a small achievement, and that's the idea of this phrase, no mean feat. As a teacher, keeping a class of 10-year-olds interested during English class is no mean feat. It's not at all easy. Have you ever listened to a Geordie, somebody from Newcastle? Understanding them can be no mean feat, okay? A difficult achievement. Or maybe winning an Olympic medal is no mean feat, okay? So we say something is no mean feat. It's not a small thing. It's not small potatoes. It's difficult to do, and you need to be really good at it. You could just say, finding a good job is a feat. It's an achievement. It's something that needs skill to do. But very often, to add a bit of colour to the phrase, they say it's no mean feat. It sounds quite nice. Notice this phrase is quite informal, and I wouldn't use it in a formal document. I would say something like difficult to achieve, not easy to do, or something like that. Okay, so only in an informal context, in an informal conversation. Yeah, not in a formal way. So, no mean, ungenerous, poor, lowly feat achievement. Okay, so something is no mean feat. It is difficult to do. So there you go, a nice little phrase for you to add to your vocabularies. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. No mean feat.